In this video, I will show you step by step on how to delete duplicate photos on your Google Photos. After you open your phone, go and open up your Google Photos app. After you open Google Photos app, as you can see now, by default, you'll be able to see all the interface like this. Here is all your images and your videos. So to delete the duplicate files or duplicate photos, all you have to do now, tap on this library section. So under this library section, as you can see now, in this section here, it says photos on device. Means that all these are my photos and my videos on my device. Under the, as you can see now, in this section, it says album. So under this album means that all these are my photos and videos that I uploaded on my Google Photos under this album. So now if you want to delete a duplicate photos now, as you can see now, let's say now I'll just add a photo like this one. So after I open it, I'll tap on this add photo button. So by default, it just selected the photo. As you can see now, you cannot be able to duplicate a photo inside the Google Photos. But if you have some duplicate photos on your phone and you want to delete them, now I will show you how to do that. There is an application by Google that can be able to do that for you. Now close up your Google Photos, go to your Play Store. After you open your Google Play Store, now go and search for this application, Files by Google. So every Android phone has this application by default. So if you cannot find your own on your device, just come to Google Play Store and type in this Files by Google like this, Files by Google, and open the application like this. After you open the application, now here is the interface of the application. So tap on this clean section at the bottom left side. So in this clean section, as you can see now, here is that there is an option which says duplicate. As you can see now, here it says duplicate. So under this duplicate, now tap on this see all files, this one. So as you can see now, under this see all files, as you can see now, you can be able to see all the duplicate videos and audios and all pictures of your phone that are duplicated on your phone. Now you can be able to see them. Here is all my pictures and my videos that I duplicated that are duplicated on my phone. If you want to delete them, all you have to do now to delete the duplicate one, tap on this little select icon. So this select icon now will select all the photos that are duplicated more than one. It will select the all the rest and leave only one for you. As you can see now, if I scroll to down, as you can see now, this video has duplicated almost 3 times. This one, this one, this one. Now it select 1, 2, 3, 4 and leave only one for me. Now it will delete all these 3 and it will leave only this one for me. So now it will select all the rest and leave only one for you. Here is the original one. It will leave the original one for you and select all the copy ones. So if you now tap on this move to trash, now it will delete all this file for you. As you can see now, here is the number of the file and here is the gigabyte of the file. That's it guys. If you tap on this, as you can see now, move to trash, it will delete the file for you. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.